Okay, this is the solar fountain. The brand sent me this, so I'm going to review it for you in our backyard pond. So there's a lot of good things about this. It just charges with the sun, so it just sits outside and it works. If it's cloudy or rainy, it's not going to work. It's battery powered on the back, and you can adjust. You can go up or down on the water level coming out, what you want. So I'm just going to keep it on a low setting. It has these arms that you can adjust. If you put it in like a bird feeder fountain, these arms make it so it stays in place. But with our pond, it kind of roams around, but it's super fun to watch. So also the water comes out on the top right here, but it comes with different heads. So these are all the different heads it comes with. I'll just pop one on so you can see. Let's see. Super easy. So I'm going to go ahead and put it in our pond and you can see how it works. So this is on the lower setting, but let me turn it on the higher setting. It's easy to pop in and out. I'm going to change the head on this so you can see different modes. Okay, so it comes with this head you can put on like this, and then they come with these caps. There's like 3 or 4 different caps you can stick on. So then it has another feature like that. So if you have a bird feeder or a small pond or something, this is like the perfect little thing to attract birds or just have a fun little water feature in your pond or bird feeder. It works super great. We love it, and I think it just adds a fun little touch to a water feature. So highly recommend.